Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us learn about the linear approximation in partial derivatives. Let u of x comma y be a function. Then the linear approximation at x0 y0 is L of x comma y equal to u of x0 y0 plus dou u by dou x at the point x0 y0 into x minus x0 plus dou u by dou y at the point x0 y0 into y minus y0. Here u is a function of x comma y. So we have to find dou u by dou x and then dou u by dou y. After that use the formula. So if we remember the formula, we can do the problems very easily. Now let us see the problems. If w of x comma y equal to x cube minus 3xy plus 2y square, where x comma y belongs to real numbers capital R. Find the linear approximation for w at 1 comma minus 1. So here the function is w equal to x cube minus 3xy plus 2y square. We have to find the linear approximation. So if we remember the formulas, we can do the steps also very easily. Here w is a function of x comma y. So the linear approximation, the formula is L of x comma y equal to w of x0 y0 plus dou w by dou x at the point x0 y0 into x minus x0 plus dou w by dou y at the point x0 y0 into y minus y0. Here the given point is x0 y0. Now see the formula L of x comma y. L means linear approximation, equal to w is the given function. So in the problem the function is w. So w of x0 y0, we have to substitute the point in w, plus dou w by dou x. We have to differentiate w partially with respect to x and then substitute the point into x minus x0 plus dou w by dou y. Differentiate w partially with respect to y and then substitute the point x0 y0 into y minus y0. So for this, first let us find dou w by dou x. So the function is w given. We have to differentiate w partially with respect to x. So that means see the x term only. So in the function these are the x terms. Differentiate x terms only. This x cube differentiation is 3x square. Next term x differentiation 1. 1 into minus 3y. So we get minus 3y. Plus this is constant differentiation 0. So if you want to differentiate x only means see the x terms only and differentiate that only. This is dou w by dou x. We have to substitute the point. So dou w by dou x at the point, the given point is 1 comma minus 1. Here first number is x, that is x equal to 1. Second number is y, that is y equal to minus 1. So put x is equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1. So we get 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. Next we have to find dou w by dou y. So differentiate w partially with respect to y. So this is w. Here see the y terms only. So these are the y terms. Differentiate only the y terms. Here y differentiation 1. 1 into this minus 3x. Next this y square differentiation 2y. 2y into 2, 4y. So this is dou w by dou y. Substitute the given point dou w by dou y at the point 1 comma minus 1. Put x is equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1. So we get minus 3 minus 4, which is equal to minus 7. Now in the formula we have w of x naught y naught. So w is the given function. So in that w we have to substitute the point. So w of 1 comma minus 1 equal to, put x is equal to 1. So we get 1 cube minus 3 into x value 1 into y value minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 square is 1. This is equal to 1 minus into minus plus 3 plus 2. So which is equal to 6. Now we can substitute the values in the formula and we can get the answer easily. Therefore the linear approximation L of x comma y equal to w at the given point is 6 plus dou w by dou x at the point is 6 into x minus x naught value 1 plus dou w by dou y at the point is minus 7 into y minus y naught. Y naught is minus 1, so minus of minus plus 1. Just to simplify we can get the answer. So this is equal to 6 plus, multiply 6 inside, 6x minus 6. Here multiply inside minus 7y minus 7. So therefore this is equal to 6x minus 7y. Here 6 minus 6 cancelled. So we have minus 7. So therefore the answer is L of x comma y equal to 6x minus 7y minus 7. Similarly, let us see the next problem. Let z of x comma y equal to x square y plus 3xy power 4, where x comma y belongs to R. Find the linear approximation for z at 2 comma minus 1. So the function is z equal to x square y plus 3xy power 4. First write the formula. The linear approximation is L of x comma y equal to, here z is a function, so we take z of x naught y naught plus dou z by dou x at the point x naught y naught into x minus x naught plus dou z by dou y at the point x naught y naught into y minus y naught. So here we have to find dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y and then substitute the points. And here the given point is 2 comma minus 1. Take it as x naught y naught. Now differentiating z partially with respect to x. So see the given function. Just see the x terms only and differentiate that only. X square differentiation 2x into y. Here x differentiation 1. 1 into 3y power 4. So we get 3y power 4. So this is dou z by dou x. We have to substitute the point at the point 2 comma minus 1. Put x is equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. So here x value 2, y value minus 1. Here y value minus 1 whole power 4, that is plus 1. Multiply this minus 4 plus 3. So this is equal to minus 1. Next we have to find dou z by dou y. So this is the given function. see the y terms only and differentiate that only. Y differentiation 1 into x square x square. Y power 4 differentiating this we get 4y cube. 4y cube into 3x. So 12x into y cube. So to differentiate this y power 4 we use the formula nx power n minus 1. So we get 4y cube. 4 into 3 12. So 12x into y cube. Substitute the point 2 comma minus 1. That means put x is equal to 2. So 2 square 4 plus 12 into x value 2, y value minus 1 cube is minus 1. So this is 4 minus 12 into 2 24. That is equal to minus 20. And finally we have to find z at the given point. So straight away in the given function just substitute the point 2 comma minus 1. So this is the given function. If we put x is equal to 2 squared 4 into y value minus 1 plus 3 into x value 2 into minus 1 whole power 4 is plus 1. So this is minus 4 plus 6, that is equal to 2. So now we have got all the values. Just substitute the values in the formula and simplify, we can get the answer. Therefore the linear approximation L of x comma y equal to, here z at the point is 2 plus dou z by dou x at the point is minus 1 into x minus x naught is 2 plus dou z by dou y at the point is minus 20 into y minus y naught is minus 1. So minus of minus plus 1. This is equal to 2 minus x minus into minus plus 2 minus 20y minus 20. So this is minus x minus 20y. Add the numbers 2 plus 2 4 minus 20 minus 16. So the answer is minus x minus 20y minus 16. Next problem, w of x comma y comma z equal to x square minus xy plus 3 sin z, where x, y, z are real numbers. Find the linear approximation at 2 comma minus 1 comma 0. So write the given w is a function in terms of x, y, z. So the function is x square minus xy plus 3 sin z. Now write the formula. Here remember w is a function of x, y, z. There are 3 variables. So we have to write the formula also in terms of x, y, z. So the linear approximation is L of x, y, z equal to w of x naught, y naught, z naught plus dou w by dou x at the point into x minus x naught plus dou w by dou y at the point into y minus y naught plus dou w by dou z at the point into z minus z naught. So remember there are 3 variables x, y, z. So we have to find dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, dou w by dou z. And the point x naught, y naught, z naught is 2 minus 1 0. First let us find the partial derivative dou w by dou x. See the x term only and differentiate that only. X square differentiation 2x, x differentiation 1 into minus y minus y. So dou w by dou x at the point 2 minus 1 0, x value 2, y value minus 1, z value 0. Substitute here x value 2, y value minus 1. So this is equal to 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. Next we have to find dou w by dou y. See the y term only. So here we have only y here. Differentiate y only. That is 1. 1 into minus x minus x. Substitute the point x value 2. So substituting we get minus 2. Next we have to find dou w by dou z. See the z term only. That is sin z. Differentiating that, sin z differentiation is cos z. So we get 3 into cos z. Substituting the point, here z value 0. So when we put z equal to 0, cos 0 is 1. So 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. And finally, in the function w, substitute the point x value 2, 2 square 4, minus x value 2 into y value minus 1, plus 3 into z value 0, so sin 0, 0. So this is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. Now we can substitute the values in the formula and we can get the answer. The linear approximation L of x comma y comma z equal to w at the point, that value is 6, plus dou w by dou x at the point is 5 into x minus x naught value 2, plus dou w by dou y at the point is minus 2 into y minus y naught is minus 1, so minus of minus plus 1, plus dou w by dou z at the point is 3, so 3 into z minus z naught is 0. So now this is equal to 6 plus 5x minus 10 minus 2y minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 3 into z, 3z. That is equal to 5x minus 2y plus 3z. Add the constant, 6 minus 10 minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. So the answer is 5x minus 2y plus 3z minus 6. Thanks for watching.